If you're still running Facebook ads to webinars, they still work incredibly well. But if you're looking to improve how people interact with your webinars, how they decide on whether or not they're going to stay, it's really all about integration of bots and automation now. Back then you could just send people to a registration page, hope that they watch it, and you'll get sales all the time. And there's still tons of clients that I manage that's the case. But if you're looking to really interact with your audience and keep them engaged with you, even if it's not actually you, it's all about integrating your content with bots. That way that they can act as you during the day, keep in contact with your leads, in contact with your fans, and then naturally over time they'll consume your content at whatever rate that they want and buy your stuff every single day, every week, every month. And so if you are running webinars and you're not integrating with bots, you're losing out on an extra 10 to 20% of people viewing your content, which is incredibly important if you want to get an extra, let's just say 4 to 10 sales a week, which for some people is an extra 4 to 10 grand. It could be an extra 100 grand, you name it, right? So start integrating more technology behind the scenes into your ad campaigns. It doesn't have to be done with me. Most ad managers don't know how to do it. It's ad managers like me are hiring, dev people and, people who do any sort of like integration work on the back end with like Infusionsoft and ManyChat and all these other softwares. That's where we come into play and say, I want to build this thing. I don't know how. Can you build it for me? And so now our stuff becomes a lot more sophisticated when we can work with, the technology pieces too. So if you're looking for more sophisticated marketing in the future, you're probably going to have to be, one, doing that on your own for now. And then two, if you don't do it on your own, it's going to be very expensive in the future. So get on the ball and start putting that in your marketing now.